Welcome, in front of me I have ALCATEL U3 and today I will show you how we can find sound settings in the smartphone. So the first you have to go for the settings. Scroll down and go for the sound and notification. And as you can see here we got the sound settings. We can change volume, we can activate vibration, change ringtone, and also change notification sounds and things like that. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.